Award, also the Singer of the Year, Best in Novel Set, Best in Language, Best in GMRC, Mr. Young MCA 2025, Quiz Big Champion, and the recipient of Win Honors Award. Next is our learners from grade 2 patients under the advisory of teacher Gina Domingo. Let's start with